Welcome back. In this video, we are going to study only important energy bands. Important energy bands. There are different energy bands related to the different orbits of the electron in a solid, but the important energy bands are only two. One is valence band and second is conduction band, and the gap between them is known as the forbidden energy gap. Now see the important energy bands. Number one, valence band. What is the valence electron? The electron in the outermost orbit is called valence electron. Outermost orbit is called valence electron. The electrons in the outermost orbit is called valence electron. And the range of energies possessed by valence electron is called valence band. The range of energy possessed by the valence electron is called valence band. This is the valence band for a given material. Number two, conduction band. What is the conduction band? We know that the valence electrons which are very loosely attached to the nucleus, are loosely attached to the atom, are called free electrons, and these electrons are responsible for current conduction. These electrons are responsible for current conduction, so they are called conduction electrons. And the range of energy possessed by this, conduction electron, it is known as the conduction band. The range of energy possessed by the conduction electrons or free electrons, it is known as the conduction band. And the range of energy possessed by the valence electrons is called valence band. This is the range, this is the band, or this is the range of the valence band. This is the range for conduction band. And third is forbidden energy gap. Say this is the valence band, this is the conduction band. This is the top of the valence band and bottom of the valence band. Say this is the bottom of the conduction band and top of the conduction band. The separation, this is the separation, distance or separation between top of the valence band and bottom of the conduction band is called forbidden energy gap. This separation between these two important bands is called forbidden energy gap. Therefore, we can define the separation between the valence band and conduction band is called forbidden energy gap. This structure is related to the energy of electron. It does not represent the physical structure of atom. It is the structure of energy of electron, and it is not the structure, physical structure of the atom. Therefore, there are three important energy band. There are three important terms. Number one, valence band. What is valence band? The range of energy possessed by the valence electron is called valence band. What is conduction band? The range of energy possessed by free electrons, it is known as the conduction band. And the separation between the conduction band and valence band, or separation between valence band and conduction band, it is known as the forbidden energy gap. These are the important bands in solids. Thank you.